tuxedo.
Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. So dolls, as you guys can see in my background, I have some new pieces. Some of these pieces you guys have seen before, but I haven't did a try on for you guys, and some are new. This video is going to be a spring haul, so I hope you guys enjoy these really fun pieces that I have. So right now I have on my spring silk pajama top. I smell really good. I have on my Escada summer perfume. It smells so good, so summery. Oh, and also in my background you can see my oil diffuser. I am obsessed with my oil diffuser. It changes colors, as you guys can see. It smells so good. So I also picked up more oils. So these are essential oils, and then the fragrances are eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender. What else is this? One is, I think it's orange. Yeah, that's that. This video is not about that. I went to Chick-fil-A today. This is a lemonade. It's so good. I will be right back with the first piece. This is the first outfit, number one. So this is a tie-dye or multicolor, whatever you want to call it, jumpsuit. It has a tie in the middle. Cotton material, is very stretchy, it's very comfortable. You can also tie this up. With a kitten heel. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see me from here, but these are the kitten pumps that I paired with it. Like I said, it's really stretchy. This is the back. Cute. I feel like right now it's spring and a lot of people have been, well, I have been seeing a lot of people with like tie-dye, like a lot of colorful pieces on, like cute dresses and stuff like that. So I thought this was really cute. I feel like you could go anywhere with this, like to the beach, or if you're out of town or something like that, for some cute pictures. As you guys can see, I don't have a bra on and my breasts are sitting up really nice in this. So if you have really good boobs that don't sag, I feel like this is a really cute outfit. Okay, let's go to the next outfit. This is number two outfit. You guys probably have seen me on Instagram in this outfit. It's a polyester pantsuit, or I guess tracksuit, or whatever you want to call it. It's like that swishy material. It's polyester, lined in the inside, like this net lining it has in the inside and also inside of the pants. Two-piece. The only part I don't know, I don't remember these being like this annoying. So you can use these to adjust the jacket if you want it tighter or loose. So I think that's really cool, but I don't know about it just hanging like this. Is kind of weird to me, but whatever. They do have pockets, so that's really cute. This is the back. If you're gonna walk around the lake or go to the lake and take some pictures, or you know, just like go chill, go to the mall, this is one of those chill outfits. If you want to get real sporty, you can get your little fanny pack. Clip your fanny pack on. Super cute. And then you're ready to take some pictures, hang out with your girls. When I wore this out to like a bar and stuff. I know that's crazy, whatever, but like I'll wear anything anywhere, it doesn't matter to me. But I have my card holder, my keys, like whatever. Right now I have my lip gloss in here. One of my friends, she makes lip glosses and stuff, so I have her lip gloss in here. Let me put some on. I haven't used this in a while. Even though I already have hella lipstick on, or lip gloss, whatever. It smells good too. So, I mean, you could put whatever in here. I feel like bright colors are always fun for summer and spring. They just like bring out, you know, bring out your personality. And I have a big personality, so I love to show it off with my outfits. This is 100% polyester spandex two-piece. So cute, like, and I just paired it with my like clear, I don't know if you guys can see my little clear wedges. It's really, really comfortable, you guys. The top is really snug, like you will not come out of it. I don't have a bra on, as you guys can see, and it's like I can move around, I can do whatever and nothing. So if you're dancing, this won't slide down, and because you also have your support here, you know what I'm saying, so you won't be like pulling this up when you're out and stuff like that. So I thought this was really cute and girly, and I love the color. Like I said before, all these really bright colors are really, really popping right now. It's spring, you guys want to be seen, throw in some color, take some pictures, be popping, you know. Here's number 4. This is a cotton jumpsuit. This is the back, and I just paired this with my, I don't know if you got, okay, so I just paired this with my comfy Ugg slippers. So I will wear this if I'm going, I don't know, you gotta be careful when you wear stuff like this, because this is like, this reminds me of a pajama set. Like you could wear this to bed. If you wear this in the summertime, like you could just wear this to like the store or something, like a quick run. Or you could just take pictures in this, you know what I'm saying? Like just take pictures in the house or whatever, like on your chilling mode. Like I would take a picture in this, like just chilling. Just like this. It's really cute. Ugg slippers, like for in the house, a cute IG picture. A lot of IG models, they wear these and stuff. So I wouldn't wear this to a party, like that's insane or whatever. I would definitely like go to sleep in this. So I picked this up because this was really cute and chill, and I love to chill at home. And right now we're on quarantine, so why not? These are so small. Like I just dried them recently and like, no. But look at the back though. I used to could fit these. They're super cute. I didn't purchase these from the boutique, but the back is super cute. I love these. So I need to make like some more of these. I did purchase this tank top today though. This is a total casual outfit except for the back. Yes. So this is number 6. When you get off, up close look. This is the back. Like when I wear dresses, I like longer dresses, especially like if you're going out or going dancing and stuff like that. You don't have to worry about pulling your dress down and stuff like that. So sometimes I get a large, like if it's like boutique clothing, because it runs small or whatever, and the length is just longer. Like that's what I usually do when I shop at boutiques. Work, picnic, cocktails, evening, you know what I'm saying, day to night. You can add accessories, earrings, just to like liven it up a little bit. Cute jacket or whatever if it gets a little cold. Yeah. So let me know if you guys like this very conservative dress. All right. So this is the last outfit. I paired it with some sunnies. So this is a cotton dress with this really cute detailing in the front. I had like a jersey top. It had the same detailing on the sides of the shirt, and it was super cute. It was like my favorite. So this dress is a size large, you guys, because I wanted the length to be a little bit longer, which it is. This is the back. Some Coke White Air Forces, take a bomb picture. You know what I'm saying? Like, alright dolls, so I hope you enjoyed my spring try on haul. If you guys do like videos like this, don't worry, I will be doing more videos trying on different pieces. I think I'll do like summer, winter, and fall, like, you know, like try on hauls, because I feel like that's fun and I love fashion and I love clothes. Just rate the outfits below, the ones that was your favorite, the ones that were your least favorite, or it's just not your style or whatever. Leave the comments below. And also, I know you guys are wondering like, how am I getting some of these pieces and stuff like that. I'm not ordering them online. There's a couple boutiques open that I sometimes go to. I check around for different ones that I like, for like my kind of style, or sometimes if it's not even my kind of style of boutique, I still go in just to try the pieces. And I was able to try some of the pieces on just to see if they actually look good on me. So that was really nice of them to just like let me try on the pieces. I did have my mask on and gloves and stuff like that, so I'm always prepared when I'm going in places. So I also carry around hand sanitizer, gloves, and my mask, so I'm definitely prepared. Just paying attention and being cautious of my surroundings. So, and I was the only one in the store, so that was really cool. Me and the associate. So the boutique that I got the items from is called, I wrote it down in my notes, hold on you guys. It's called Elegant Boutique. The lady there is really, really nice. She's super sweet, like, you know, and it was just like I said, it was really nice for her to just like let me come in and like try on pieces. So I got lucky. Yeah, you guys, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, you guys. Like, I'm not playing with you. Like, if you're on here viewing my stuff, you need to be subscribed. And that is it, dolls. I will see you in my next video. Bye.